Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainments. So now you can see on the screen that HDFC scheduled maintenance is there. Now you can see scheduled maintenance dates. Let me read this information out here. So if you are using HDFC bank and if you're not aware that it is going for it is scheduled for maintenance, then you can read here that I am reading. Let me scroll. Let me zoom it. So now you can see here I am reading the information clearly here. Schedule maintenance date 14th december 14th December 2024, 1 a.m. to 1:30 a.m. IST, 30 minutes. It is going for 30 minutes. Okay, it is going for maintenance for 30 minutes only. Unavailable services during maintenance, credit card transactions. And again for 14 December's only, the another news for the particular different thing is 14th December 2024, 02 means 2:30 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. IST. It is going for 3 hours. So this is basically for unavailable services during maintenance. Net banking and mobile banking app. This is for net banking and mobile banking. So between 1 a.m. to 1:30 a.m. for 30 minutes only, it is going for maintenance for credit card transactions. And if I talk about net banking and mobile banking related, so it is going for 3 hours. It is going for under scheduled maintenance for 3 hours. The duration and the time is 2:30 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. IST. Account related details: deposits, fund transferred, in bracket you can see UPI, IMPS, NEFT and RTGS. Merchant payments, instant account opening process. And again I'm reading third one, which is for the same date only, for 14th December only, that is 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. It is going for 2 hours. It is going for under maintenance for 2 hours. That is unavailable services during maintenance. It is for Demat transactions. So please remember the duration is for Demat transactions is 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. It is for 2 hours. And in the same date, 14th December 2024 only, 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. to 15th December, you can see 10 p.m. to 15th December 2024, 12 p.m. IST means it is going for 14 hours. Unavailable services during maintenance, offers tab on net banking. So this maintenance for offers tab on net banking. So this is the longest hours, which is 14 hours. It is going for under maintenance. And on the 15th December, if I talk about, this is 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. IST. It is going for 4 hours, which is for unavailable services during maintenance. Mutual fund transactions on new net banking. So for mutual fund transactions on new net banking, it is going for under maintenance for 4 hours. Okay, on 15th December, again I am reiterating, the duration is 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. We appreciate your understanding and cooperation as we work to improve the efficiency of our services. So मैंने सिर्फ यहाँ जो लिखा हुआ है, एक्चुअल जो डेटा यहाँ पे शो किया गया है वेबसाइट पे, सिर्फ मैंने उसी को बताया है, उसी को दिखाया है. तो प्लीज़ गाइस, अगर आप HDFC बैंक यूज़ करते हैं तो प्लीज़ बी अवेयर एंड बी केयरफुल दैट आपका अकाउंट से रिलेटेड जो भी इस पर मैंने पर्टिकुलरली मैसेजेस पढ़े हैं, जो पर्टिकुलरली अगर आप कोई ट्रांजैक्शन करना चाहते हैं, इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन, वेदर इट इज़ फॉर अकाउंट रिलेटेड डिटेल्स, डिपॉजिट्स, फंड ट्रांसफर्स, मर्चेंट पेमेंट्स, इंस्टेंट अकाउंट ओपनिंग प्रोसेसेस, या फिर अगर मैं बात करूँ डीमैट ट्रांजैक्शन की, या फिर मैं बात करूँ ऑफर टैब ऑन नेट बैंकिंग, अगर आपको ऑफर्स लेने हैं, अवेल करने हैं. एंड उसके अलावा जो है आपके पास म्यूचुअल फंड ट्रांजैक्शन ऑन न्यू नेट बैंकिंग, अगर इस तरह की सर्विसेज आप यूज़ करना चाहते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली सारे ही इसमें इंक्लूड हो गए हैं. तो पर्टिकुलरली अगर आप किसी चीज़ के लिए जा रहे हैं तो एक बार देख लीजिए कि जो वेबसाइट है वो अंडर मेंटेनेंस जा रही है. तो प्लीज़ बी वेयर एंड बी केयरफुल. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, आपको एक नॉलेज मिली होगी और आपको एक अवेयरनेस मिली होगी. So if you like my channel and if you like the session, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. And thank you for watching.